Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kau Sorkar Jilla, hakar pelai trik urusau arajar pausau, kelarawan Pynjlan, Jakarta Rungkam, Nonghikai SSA, Haduh saupusan Snem Karta, kum kejing pli linti, makin dop laban apla yagikam, padang lain, nak bentang kam Nonghikai, high school Sorkar, naduk ke kedan lower primary, haduh ke kedan higher secondary level. Yakini karai la shim, taga kinhul menteri, bila pinya du menteri rang ba ke Jilla, ukon rak ke sangma, kabelong harus tu bel para, North Karo Hills District. Haba keren syikilat patai kubur Menteri Ketenangan Pulih Putih ke Sorkar Jilla urakam sangma ulong begitu genong hikai bila syak Rungkam hapo ke SSA on sailat deki menishim benta haga jing penrungkam hagi skul Sorkar haduk karta ke pasau pusan Snem.
Is with regard to the relaxation of upper age limit for serving SSA teachers for recruitment into government LP UP or secondary and higher secondary schools. Honorable Ministers here, and we can kindly
relaxation of the upper age limit for the serving SSA teacher for participation in the recruitment for the government LP and the UP and the higher secondary up to the age of 45 years from now. So those who already appointed in the SSA with due process, they will be allowed to participate in the recruitment process up to the age of 45 years.